Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today I am here with one more great cake recipe, that is pineapple upside down cake from the scratch. So we are going to prepare this soft and moist cake with wheat flour. So to begin with, first let's cut the pineapple. Let us take out the top and the bottom portions of the pineapple carefully. Then let's cut the sides of the pineapple. Okay, we have to take out all the side portions. Then slice them into medium sized. The pineapple is really very tasty and very yummy fruit. It's one of my favorite fruit. Okay, now let's cut it using any bowl or any cutter to just make it get the round shape of the pineapple pieces. And then cut in on the middle portions of the pineapple, as that will be hard, we cannot eat that. So using any cutter or knife, just make a hole in the center. Okay, once this is done, now let's grease up our pan, a cake tin or any steel pan, using some oil and keep it aside. Then in another pan, I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of butter. It is 1/4 cup of butter. To that, again 1/4 cup of jaggery or brown sugar. Anything you can use among the two. Okay, now mix it and let it melt nicely. No need to cook long, just little until it melts properly. Now pour this mixture into the pan, the greased tin, and spread it evenly. Okay, once it is done, we have to place our pineapple pieces or the slices in the pan. Okay, I could place just 4 pieces and few pieces on the sides. Okay, onto it I am putting some pomegranate seeds. You can also add keep the cherries if you have. So our tin is ready now. Let's keep it aside. So now let's prepare the batter for our cake. So for that, 1 cup of sugar I am taking in a bowl. Then to that 3/4 cup of curd and half cup of oil. Okay, so first mix them everything together. We have to stir until the sugar gets nicely dissolved in the curd. Okay, once our sugar is dissolved, now let's add half cup of pineapple juice. Okay, this pineapple juice really gives a nice flavor to the cake. Then here I'm adding half teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can also add the pineapple essence if you wish. Then to this 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Then half teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, sieve everything together. Okay, now let's mix the flour with the wet ingredients. So here I use a spoon or any spatula and mix it using the cut and fold method. Okay, this cut and fold method helps to incorporate more air in the batter and makes our cakes more fluffy. Okay, once it is mixed well, now let's add the milk. Okay, it is half cup of milk. We should add gradually until we get the perfect consistency of the cake batter. Okay, now our cake batter is ready. So this is the perfect consistency. Now let's pour it on the prepared tin, that is pineapple pieces. Wow, it's looking so nice. Okay, now just tap it 2 to 3 times. Okay, now let's get ready with the cooker. I'm keeping a stand in the cooker and let's cover it without any gasket and without any whistle. Take care. Cover it and preheat it for 5 minutes. Okay, once it is preheated, now let's place our cake tin in the cooker and cover it and let it bake for around 50 minutes. Okay, the time always depends on the quantity of the cake we are making. Okay, wow, our cake looks so super yummy baked. So I'm checking it here. Yes, the knife also came out clear. So it means our cake is done. So let's take it out. Wow, isn't it looking super yummy? It's really soft and moist. Okay, now we have to cool it for 15 minutes. So once it is cooled down, just run a knife around the sides of the cake tin. Okay, it will just make help us easy to take out the cake, and just flip it immediately. Yes. Okay, just tap it 2 to 3 times and take out the pan. Yes, wow, see, it came out very easily and it's looking so yummy. No other decoration is needed for this. It is really very soft. It's very soft and very yummy. So you can see now. Wow. So isn't it looking very beautiful? It has come out so fluffy. So here is our pineapple upside down cake ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. Click the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.